Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Now guys, this is the updated version or video of my pineapple skin or pineapple peel, however you want to call it. All right guys, so everybody know how to peel pineapple already. I have two big pineapple here. I leave them out on the counter so they can get ripe a little bit, or so to speak, a little bit stale. All right, and I'm gonna peel them guys, and then I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna freeze the inside to make smoothie, or you can make pineapple juice. All right, to this I'm gonna add some ginger, good old ginger, and I'm gonna add some lemon juice. Now the kick to it guys, I'm gonna boil it down with a cinnamon stick. Flavor galore. And I'm gonna sweeten it with some brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, use some honey. All right guys, so I'm gonna wash this. Make sure you wash them. I'm gonna actually wash them real good before I start to cut them up, and I'm gonna just wash them in some light vinegar water, or you can just wash them. All right, I'm gonna cut them up, and then I'm gonna get a pot with the water, and we're gonna come right back. I thought this thing was recording, but anyhow, I went ahead and I add the water with the pineapple skin, an orange peel with the ginger, and a cinnamon stick. All right, and we're gonna let it simmer or boil. All right guys, let's take a look at this bad boy. Woo! Can you see the flavor in it guys? All right, I'm gonna turn the stove down. Me I tell you man, flavor turn up in this your kitchen guys. You want to be in here so with me. Wow. The orange peel with the cinnamon stick. Oh, and the ginger. Oh god, flavor turn up. So now guys, I'm just gonna leave it, let it cook or simmer down, and then I'm gonna turn it off and let it cool. I'm going to work tonight now guys, so probably tomorrow morning I'll come back and sweeten it for you. All right my peeps, we're on to the next day. I left it in the fridge because I had to go to work. Now it's 12 after 12 to 1, and we're just gonna strain it and sweeten this bad boy. All right, well cool, and everything soak up and all of that. All right guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead. I don't think I really need a strainer, but I'm gonna strain it off anyways to catch any little pieces. If you're their country and you don't have any strainer, you get one of them baby nappy they when you use yet, and you keep it for your strainer. All right guys, or a clean dish towel or tablecloth. Well, not tablecloth too big, but a clean hand towels, kitchen towel. All right, I'm gonna do all of that, and that's it, and we're gonna sweeten it. If you want, you can sweeten it with some honey, but look at this guys, look at the big container for this little bit of honey. It's not possible. So I'm gonna use some brown sugar. I'm gonna put about half cup. Depends on the amount, you can put more or less. Sweeten it to taste. And I'm gonna put one whole lemon squeeze, all the juice. All right, you can use lime. I get about 2 tablespoons, and that's it guys, that's it right here. You get lots of vitamins here guys, good for digestion. Ooh, so refreshing and nice. Don't throw away your pineapple skin guys, save it. Make a refreshing and delicious drink. This is all you need. You can leave it in the fridge to chill, or you can serve it over some crushed ice. All right, I'm gonna pour it in a container, and I'm gonna serve up some. And I'm just gonna put a straw in it. And my peeps, that's it. That's it right there. Woo-hoo. Look how refreshing and nice it is, guys. Yes, yes. So that's my delicious and refreshing pineapple skin or pineapple peel juice or drink. All right, you can also put some mint leaves in it too, guys. All right, guys, this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. I'm gonna drink this down now. Woo. Delicious. Bye, guys.